If you're looking for a healthy, packed full of protein recipe, then I promise you, you will not want to miss this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you're new here, welcome. So friends, today I found this recipe the other day over on a family feast and it absolutely sounded delicious. I am really revamping my diet. I've been doing pretty good for the last couple weeks, but I am really jumping into it now. So today I am going to be making a baked cod with feta cheese, spinach, and tomatoes. It sounded absolutely delicious and I cannot wait to make it. So if you're interested in a delicious and healthy recipe, and friends, your family won't even know that it's really good for them. It's full of protein and it's going to be awesome. So let me stop talking. We'll go over all the ingredients and we'll get started. All right, my friends, we're going to start right here. I have about 1.5 pounds of codfish. The recipe calls, I believe, for like 2 pounds. This is more than enough. I'm the only one that's going to be eating it. The recipe did not call for this, but I am going to add some black olives since I have a ton of them. I have about 8 ounces of cherry tomatoes sliced in half. I have some oregano, minced garlic, kosher salt. I have a bag back there of some baby spinach. I have white pepper. It called for some chives or scallions. I thought I had some, but apparently I used them. But I do have some dried ones, so I'm going to be substituting. But if I had the fresh ones, I would absolutely be using them. I just didn't realize I didn't have any. We have some thyme, a little bit of nutmeg, some PM spray, olive oil, feta cheese, and some lemon slices. And friends, that is it. So friends, as you saw, not a lot of ingredients and nothing, crazy that you can't find or strange to anyone. So let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, my friends, so I have a tray lined with aluminum foil and I'm going to go ahead and just spray that really well. Okay, and then I'm going to just set that aside for a quick second and bring in my fish. I am just going to lightly season. This is the back side of the fish, which is where you'll see where the skin was, and that's going to go face down. Now, white pepper is very hot. You can use regular black pepper if you want. White pepper is hot though. Or you can use some pepper flakes. That would work as well if you don't want to go out and buy white pepper. Alrighty, so then we're just going to go ahead and lay our fish. You just want to be careful that it doesn't break apart on you. We're going to lay that down, skin side down. Okay. Let me just quickly wash my hands so I don't touch the seasons, and then we'll go ahead and season this side. Alrighty, so we're just going to quickly season this side. Ooh, gotta be careful with that white pepper, friends. Alrighty. We're going to leave this sit to the side now. We're going to go over to our stovetop and make our sauce. I just want to also let you know that I preheated the oven to 350. All right, my friends, let's turn this stove on. Just going to put in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to let that get hot real quick. And as soon as that heats up, we'll go ahead and start with our ingredients. All right, my friends, I'm just going to put my chives in here. Like I said, if you have fresh, please use fresh. I'm really disappointed in myself that I did not have fresh. I could have sworn I did. And I was not running out to the store this morning. So we're going to use this. And it'll be fine. Alrighty. I'm just going to let it go for about a minute just to get it softened. Alright, my friends, we're going to add in 1 clove of garlic, our tomatoes. Just going to go ahead and mix that around. Turn that down a little bit. I think I need my apron on. Let me get my apron. Alright, my My Mama Needs to Go apron. It's almost the same color as my shirt. Alrighty. We're going to add a teaspoon of oregano. And I'm not a huge fan of thyme, so I'm going to do a half a teaspoon, but it usually calls for a teaspoon. And just a pinch, that was a little more than a pinch, of nutmeg. It calls for fresh nutmeg. Again, I was not buying fresh nutmeg just for one recipe. So, that's what we got. Doesn't that look delicious, friends? Ooh. I'm just going to go about 3 minutes with this, and then we'll add our spinach. Alright, my friends, now we're going to go ahead in and add, it says about 8 ounces of baby spinach. Y'all know, if you've been following me, I really love spinach. And as you can see, I ripped my bag. Can you see that? I'm so mad. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and cook this down. Oops, just knocked it out. And once we cook this down, about 3 or 4 minutes, we'll go ahead back over to the counter and add our toppings on it. Alright, my friends, I think we are ready to top our codfish. So let's head on over. Alright, my friends, here we go. We are going to put this right on top of our fish. Just like that. Yum. This looks so delicious already, and we haven't even cooked it yet. Yum. Oh my goodness. This is, as I said, I have about a little about 1.5 pounds. I don't have a full 2 pounds here, so I got quite a bit of extra toppings here, which is okay by me. Alrighty. Now we're going to go ahead and take our feta cheese that's crumbled and just put it right on top. I probably have way more feta here than I need. But I will link the directions, the website, in the description box so you can pull the recipe up and check their site out. I would appreciate that since they were kind enough to share. So yeah, you definitely don't need 8 ounces if you don't do it full. And then I'm going to add some black olives. I think I want to try a Mediterranean codfish as well. So I think I might try that. If you guys are interested, let me know. Making a hot mess. This is going to be so good. I can feel it. I know it is. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead. I need to wash my hands real quick, and we're going to put this in the oven. Alright, my friends, my oven is at temperature 350. We're going to put this in for 20 minutes, and then we'll come back out and check it and do our taste test. Alright, my friends, time is up. It smells delicious. And my son come out of his room and said, "Are you cooking something?" Oh, look at that. Oh, look, look, look. Alrighty. It says to put it in the broiler to get the feta cheese a little crispy on top, but my oven worked. I'm good with not putting it in the broiler. So let's go ahead and plate it up. Alright, my friends. Like I said, the recipe said to put it in the broiler just to crisp up the feta, and mine's crisped up. I am okay with it, so I'm not going to do that. Alright. There we go. 1, 2, Oh, friends, look at that. I'm gonna save a piece for my husband and have him try it. Just a small one, and my son. Look at that. I'll give you a close-up at the end. And then we're just going to take a little bit of olive oil and just drizzle across the top like that. And then we're just going to add a little slice of lemon. Now let's let this cool for a second and we'll do a taste test. All right, my friends, here it is. It smells delicious. I cannot wait to dig in. Cannot wait. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Friends. Oh. This is amazing. No fishy taste. Absolutely delicious. I cannot wait for my husband to try this. Fingers crossed he likes it. I'll put it at the bottom of the screen whether he does or not. He is a little weird about fish, so I'm hoping he tries it, but I'll let you know for sure. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. Also, check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.